Hello, welcome. My name is Tita Akam and I am going to be your English language tutor for the GCE Ordinary Level program. In this course, we shall progressively go through the syllabus of the English language program for Ordinary Level. In this program, we shall be looking at reading comprehension, grammar, vocabulary, speech work, and composition. And of course, any other essential skill that you will need to make yourself ready for the English language examination. My approach is simple and practical because I will be breaking down the difficult concepts into the easiest manner of understanding. Besides, you will be having the opportunity to put into practice what you have learned from the course. I am excited to have you on board and I will be looking forward to seeing you in my class. Thank you for joining Acadex.